Okay, let's just get right into it. We're all chasing that next level of performance, right? But what if the secret isn't some new pill or crazy workout? What if it's about getting back something we've totally lost? Today, we're talking about how sleeping like our primal ancestors isn't about moving backward. No, it's about unlocking the insane potential that's been lying dormant inside you this whole time.
So let me ask you something, and be honest. Is your phone, that little glowing screen you're probably holding right now, is it secretly caging your inner beast? Is it trapping the most powerful version of you? Well, let's take a look at the bars on that digital prison.
First things first, we gotta diagnose the real problem. And listen, it's probably not a lack of effort on your part. It's the environment we're all stuck in. We're gonna break down this invisible prison we've built all around us, our modern digital cage.
Let's just be brutally real for a second. That late night scrolling through social media, it's not just harmless fun. It is a direct attack on your body's ability to recover. And believe me, it is absolutely wrecking your hormonal health in ways you can literally feel every single day.
I mean, this right here tells the whole story, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the modern human, wired on caffeine late in the day, staring into that blue light way past midnight, getting that awful, shallow rest, and then wondering why their testosterone levels are in the tank. But on the other side, the primal ape, living by the sun and moon, sleeping in complete darkness, getting truly deep recovery, and just running on peak hormones. The difference is night and day, and that's exactly where our opportunity is. So the big question is, how do we get from that modern cage over to that primal power? Well, you need a blueprint, and that is exactly what we have right here. This is the Primal Sleep Blueprint, and it's designed to help you take back what's yours. Here's the absolute core idea you need to get. The solution isn't going to be another app or some new age tech gadget. It's about remembering your body is running on ancient software, It doesn't run on Wi-Fi. It runs on light, it runs on darkness, it runs on rhythm. So what's the goal here, really? Primal sleep, it's not just about hitting 8 hours on your sleep tracker. No way. It's about getting that deep, truly restorative rest that is literally hardwired into your DNA. And the key is just getting all the modern digital junk out of the way so your body can do its thing.
Okay, enough with the theory. It's time to actually do something. This isn't just info. This is your instruction manual. Think of it as your nightly escape protocol, a step-by-step plan to finally break free from that cage. And look, it all boils down to 3 super powerful steps. That's it. Number 1, unplug from the matrix. Number 2, banish the bean. And number 3, engineer your cave. Let's dig into each one.
All right, first up, and you could argue this is the most critical step of all, you have to unplug. You have to consciously cut those digital cords and just let your primal biology take over for a change. Here are the non-negotiable rules for this. First, you're going to create a digital sunset. That means 0 screens for at least 90 minutes before you plan to sleep. That blue light from your phone, your TV, your tablet, it's screaming, wake up to your brain, killing your melatonin production. It is public enemy number 1. And those notifications, just think of them as little poison darts stabbing you right out of your deep sleep cycles. Turn them off. Okay, step 2. We've got to talk about what you're drinking in the afternoon. It's time to banish the bean. Look, we all love coffee. I get it. But it has a serious cost. The rule is simple, and it's a hard cutoff. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Period. Why? Because caffeine sticks around in your system for a really long time. That 4 p.m. coffee you had, half of it is still buzzing around in your brain at 10 p.m. And even if you think you can fall asleep just fine, I guarantee you it is sabotaging the quality of your sleep, robbing you of that deep, restorative, good stuff. And that brings us to the final piece of a puzzle. Once you've handled the signals inside your body, it's time to control the environment outside your body. It is time to engineer your cave. This is it, your checklist for the perfect sleep sanctuary. First, it has to be cold. Your body temp naturally needs to drop to get into deep sleep, so help it out. Second, it needs to be dark, and I mean pitch black. Blackout curtains, tape over the little LED lights, everything. Any light at all can disrupt your sleep. And finally, make it silent. Get rid of any noise that could possibly pull you out of those crucial deep sleep stages. So you follow the protocol, you unplug from the matrix, you cut the caffeine, you build your perfect cave. What happens next? Oh, you don't just get better sleep, you unleash your inner apex predator. So here's the first huge payoff. You don't build muscle in the gym, you tear it down. You build it back bigger and stronger when you rest. Deep sleep is when your body pumps out growth hormone and repairs all that muscle tissue. Better sleep literally equals better gains. It's that direct. Now, this is a massive one. The vast majority of your daily testosterone production happens while you're asleep. So if you're shortchanging your sleep, you are directly crushing your own hormonal health. Primal sleep is one of the most powerful natural ways to optimize these critical hormone levels. And it's not just about your body. When you get that deep sleep, your brain goes into cleanup mode. It clears out all this metabolic junk that builds up during the day. Think of it like a janitorial crew that only works the night shift. And the result? You wake up with incredible focus, drive, and mental clarity. That brain fog is just gone. So let's just put it all together. Taking back your sleep isn't about feeling a little less tired. The rewards are absolutely game-changing. Superior athletic performance, way faster physical recovery, and optimized hormones that make you feel like you. And just remember, this is all a system. When you combine this kind of sleep with great nutrition and staying lean, you create this amazing upward spiral where everything just gets better and better. Which brings us to the final question, and it's a choice that only you can make. Every single night, you're at a crossroads. Are you going to choose the cage, the warm, glowing blue light of your phone? Or are you going to choose the cave, the cold, dark, quiet power of real restorative sleep? The choice is yours.